compulsorily convertible debenture. As per Section 2, subsection 30 of the Companies Act, and please pay attention here. Now, this is official definition of debenture as per the Companies Act, Section 2, subsection 30. And what it says, debenture includes stock bonds or any other instrument evidencing a debt, whether constituting a charge on the assets of the company or not. So debenture includes bond, and therefore one has to remember that the terms bond and the debentures are many times used interchangeably. But what you must remember, in any case, both of them are fixed in interest securities, fixed income securities, fixed income securities. And what you should also remember, अगर एक कंपनी बॉन्ड इश्यू कर रही है तो दे विल कॉल इट ए बॉन्ड, और एक कंपनी अगर डिवेंचर इश्यू कर रही है तो दे विल कॉल इट एज डिवेंचर, बट अदरवाइज देयर इज नो डिफरेंस. Pricing of CCD, compulsorily convertible bond, can be determined based on conversion formula, which is generally predetermined at the time of issuance of such CCDs, and that will always happen. So whenever a company is issuing a convertible debenture or convertible bond or FCCB, remember the conversion formula or the conversion price is pre-decided at the time of issue itself actually, and it has to be that way. Why? Because if this formula is not decided, then the problem will come, how do you decide that formula at a subsequent date? So you can agree for a methodology, but it is always better to decide it in advance so that subsequently there are no conflicts or there are no disputes or disagreements about the conversion. CCDs are convertible either wholly or partly at the time of redemption. That means what? That means a compulsorily convertible debenture can be partly convertible or it can be fully convertible. What is the meaning of partly convertible? The meaning of partly convertible is part of the debenture will be converted into equity and part of the debenture will be redeemed. So that is partly convertible debenture. Or it can be fully convertible debenture. That means the entire amount, entire face value of the debenture will be converted into equity, and that is your fully convertible debenture. So you call them wholly convertible or partly convertible. Valuation of CCD is similar to that of a convertible bond. So really speaking, convertible bond is a bond which is converted into equity, and you call it CCD, which is a compulsorily convertible bond. So this is how the valuation of CCDs will be more or less on the same lines as the valuation of a convertible bond. Equity value is determined first, based on which the value of CCD is derived. So जो हमने पहले डिस्कस किया, अगर आपको याद होगा पहले वाले केस में, कि you find out the market conversion value. Right? So likewise, when you want to do the valuation of, and we will do it with the help of an example. So when you want to do the valuation of a CCD, पहले आप क्या करोगे? Equity value determine करोगे, and equity value क्यों determine करोगे? Because present value of the equity value is going to be the another factor which is going to be part of the bond value, CCD value. So value of a CCD is a total of present value of all interest payments receivable till conversion and present value of the value of equity shares to be received at the time of conversion. जो हमने शुरू में अगर आपको याद हो तो हमने डिस्कस किया था. This is how we started discussing. So this is how you will find out the value of a compulsorily convertible debenture. The principal and interest cash flows are discounted using an appropriate discount rate, which will be given to you in the exam. In any case, that's going to be your yield or YTM or market rate of interest based on the cost of capital of the holder of the CCD. So here is an example, and we will understand it together and then solve it together also. So अब देखो इसमें क्या है केस. अंकुर, are you with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And Puneet?
Yes, yes.
ओके, गुड गुड. सो अभी देखो ये क्या केस है. डेट ऑफ इशू ऑफ सीसीडी इज 1st January 2016. कन्वर्जन डेट इज 31st December 2019. फेस वैल्यू इज 1000 rupees. Amount of equity shares per CCD upon conversion is 1000 rupees. Right? Amount of equity shares per CCD upon conversion is 1000 rupees. Interest rate on CCDs is 15% and the discount rate is 15.5%. So what is 15.5%? It is nothing but your YTM. It is nothing but your market rate of interest. It is nothing but your yield. It is nothing but your cost of capital for the purpose of discounting. So this is the information which is given to us in case of this CCD. And what we need to do, we need to find out value of this compulsorily convertible debenture. And how do you find it out? Let's look at this. So ये केस आपके दिमाग में बैठ गया पूरा. 1 जनवरी 2016 को उन्होंने सीसीडी इशू किए हैं और 31 दिसंबर को वो कन्वर्ट होंगे और फेस वैल्यू है 1000 रुपये. एंड अमाउंट ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर पर सीसीडी इज अपॉन कन्वर्जन इज ऑल्सो 1000 रुपीज़. एंड दैट मीन्स एक जो डिवेंचर है वो एक इक्विटी शेयर में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है 1000 रुपये का. इंटरेस्ट रेट इज 15% and the discount rate is 15.5%. So this is how the value of this CCD will be determined. So interest, first line, interest on CCD until the time they are redeemed is going to be 150 rupees for 4 years. And the discount factor, assuming the rate is given as 15.5%. तो अगर आप 15.5% if your discount factor cost of capital, तो अगर आप if you divide 1 by 15.5 1.15.5 1.155 and you will get the discount factor for the year 1 as 0.866 and likewise for the 4 years. And then what you do, then you find out the present value of interest. And how do you find out the present value of interest is known to you, so I do not have to tell you it once again. And so this is this 423.95 that you see in the last column is the present value of all the interest coupons that you have received. And then you are also getting 1000 one share of 1000 rupees. So that means practically what you are getting is 1000 rupees at the end of on redemption. So the value that you are getting in your hand is 1000 rupees, and your discount factor is already given here, which is 0.562. So 0.562 multiplied with 1000, and okay, because of the rounding there's a small difference coming in, but that's just fine. So 561.92. So 561.92 is the value on redemption or value on redemption. And what are you getting in redemption? You are not getting cash in redemption, you are getting an equity share, and the value of that equity share incidentally on that day is 1000 rupees. So coupon का जो present value है which is 423.95 and redemption का जो present value है which is 561.92, and that is how you are getting 985.87 as your value of the bond. So friends, this is how we will find out the values of different financial assets and the other liabilities. Let's see a few more things. How do we do the valuation of warrants? So this is how we'll, you know what is warrant, Ankur? What is a warrant?